Good day, I'm Tamara McHale and this is your JIS news for Monday, February 9. 27,000 residents of Hagley Park and surrounding communities in St. Andrew will be benefiting from upgraded health facilities in 10 months' time. On Friday, Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller broke ground for the renovation of the Hagley Park Health Centre. The Prime Minister said the project reflected government's commitment to increasing access to health care.
The renovation project is designed to result in improving patient experience and overall service delivery. This administration will continue to put policies and programs in place to ensure that every Jamaican can have the best opportunity to lead a healthy and productive life.
The upgrading is being financed by the National Health Fund at a cost of $42.6 million. During the renovation, patients who normally use the Hagley Park Health Centre will be seen at the Oak Glades and Maxfield Park Health Centres. Energy Minister Philip Paulwell has urged Caribbean leaders to remain resolute in regional efforts to diversify, conserve and exploit the use of clean renewable energy sources. The charge came while he was chairing the 54th special meeting of the Council for Trade and Economic Development on Energy in Guyana last Wednesday. Minister Paulwell said while significant strides had been made in the quest for sustainable energy security, a cohesive regional approach is needed to achieve more. He also asserted that the CARICOM Sustainable Energy Roadmap that's being developed needs to be used as a platform for sustainable energy planning, management and implementation.
This can best be achieved through facilitating the region to establish targets over short, medium and long-term horizons, and to develop strategies to achieve those targets based on national plans, as well as collective approaches, while of course ensuring dynamic participation of all member states and stakeholders.
Jamaica will be helping Costa Rica develop its local government system. That includes facilitating visits by Costa Rican government officials who will come to familiarize themselves with Jamaica's parish council and municipal system. The arrangement follows recent bilateral talks between Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller and her Costa Rican counterpart. They met last month at the third summit of the Community of Latin American and Caribbean States CELAC. During those talks, Costa Rica's President Luis Guillermo Solis Rivera said his country was looking to benefit from Jamaica's strong track record in the local government system, as Costa Rica lagged behind many other countries in that area. A $34.5 million public education campaign to keep Jamaica litter-free has been launched. The multimedia campaign, No Dirty Up Jamaica, is a component of the Tourism Enhancement Fund's Clean Coast project. It's being implemented by the Jamaica Environment Trust. Tourism Minister Dr. Wickham McNeil says the campaign is aimed at improving knowledge and positive attitudes about waste disposal.
The Ministry of Tourism and Entertainment takes a special interest in these matters, not merely to ensure the sustainability of the industry, but equally to protect and preserve our environment for ourselves as a people. One of the tenets of the Tourism Master Plan is sustainable development, a key part of which is environmental sustainability.
The No Dirty Up Jamaica campaign will include a series of cleanup projects across the island, as well as educational programs across media platforms and within schools. The Jamaica Constabulary Force's Safe School program will be expanding its services. The JCF's Community Safety and Security Branch will be using the Police Cadet program as a model to reach more students across the country.
We are not able, based on limited resources, to pull these youngsters into the institution for training. So what we're doing is working through our Curriculum Development and Coordination Unit to create a special program which we will deliver in schools, particularly at the sixth form level. And we're hoping that this will be a springboard, a bridge for youngsters who have interest in policing.
The head of the Community Safety and Security Branch was speaking at a recent JIS think tank. Currently, there are 174 school resource officers in 134 schools across the island. In 2014, they completed 6,000 visits and conducted more than 2,000 lectures and presentations. And finally, restorative justice practices will be introduced to school curricula in the upcoming academic year, starting September, to reduce misbehavior and improve the overall learning environment.
It is an approach that proactively builds positive school communities while reducing disciplinary referrals, suspensions of students, and even expulsions. That process will actually be managed by the Ministry of Education, and we have already developed the modules and presented them to the Ministry of Education, and they have accepted them to work restorative practices into the curricula.
The Justice Minister made the announcement at a recent JIS think tank session. He said 222 restorative justice practice facilitators were trained last year and 35 trainers were certified. 80 stakeholders from teachers' colleges, theological institutions, secondary schools and primary schools have also been certified in restorative practices. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Tamara McHale. Thank you for watching.